AGZA Capture.
Hey, Joe, thanks for having us at your shop today.
Dan, I'm so excited to have you guys here. You have no idea.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
You as well.
Okay, Joe, who is AOS and what does AOS do for our industry?
Okay, so AOS is, first of all, a team of really great people that are as passionate about robots as I am. And that team starts not only from my vision, but what my daughter does with me, Joe Langton. That's not talked about that often, but it's basically just about us defining the industry we serve and where the gaps are in the space. And the gaps are service with the solutions that are provided by manufacturers after the sale. That's basically what AOS is. It's as simple as that.
And how many team members make up this team?
So we have 20 team members now. I have actually a team that stays in Florida all the time. I have 3 people down in Florida and then 17 people up in the Chicago market. But we travel to 8 different states right now and support many people, and there's many states to come.
Joe, AGZA loves to visit brick and mortar stores. We love yours. Can you tell us what you sell here? For instance, do you have robotics, which we know you do? What else do you have in the store? And then what type of services do you provide for all of your customers through this brick and mortar?
Yeah, so Dan, we have, of course, robotics, Husqvarna, Crest, Nexmo, Echo, Mowfleet, and our automated ball wash system we imported. We have battery handheld with Crest and Husqvarna right now. We're keeping that very limited to those 2 brands, mainly so we can service it and offer great feedback on just those 2 brands. And last but not least, the majority of what's happening here is actually service. We don't get a lot of walkthrough traffic here. We get a lot of repeat traffic here. People that know we can service the equipment we sell and provide in our subscription model. And that's what this is doing. As you stand here right now, this is what the space was made for, is serving the customer so they had a comfortable space to walk in and bring their equipment in for service.
All right, today, the only AGZA certified green zones that are utilizing robotics and our robotic mower green zones have been established with our partnership with AOS and the Langton Group. Joe, we have about 7 or 8 of them established here. Are they still intact?
Yeah, they're absolutely still intact. We really monitor those at a high level because we're so happy to have done it with you. And we're looking forward to our latest ELF reports with those green zones and actually growing them in this market because there's such a value in the space for our customers to get that important data, especially for a municipality customer.
Yeah, and ELF stands for Environmental Landscape Footprint, and we're going to give Joe and AOS and their clients all of those different metrics on impact reductions, if you will. So thank you so much for that, Joe.
Thank you, Dan.
Okay, Joe, we don't want to leave here today without people knowing where you're at. Can you tell us where this brick and mortar is? And then again, quickly touch on where AOS is providing service throughout the country.
All right, so right now we're at 1595 South Eastwood Drive in Woodstock, Illinois. This is where it all started for us. We're currently now branching out into several other states. We actually have an actual presence with technicians on the ground all the time in Florida. We are in South Carolina, North Carolina, Texas, Wisconsin, Ohio, Michigan, Philadelphia, Colorado, going into California. So we are moving basically anywhere that supports us in our vision and subscription. That's where we're growing.
Awesome. Thank you for that. And finally, we look forward to seeing you at Equip 2024. Joe is going to be a panelist in a session that AGZA is moderating. And of course, you're going to be speaking about robotics. Joe, I can't thank you enough.
Yeah, make sure you come see us. It's going to be a great time.
AGZA Capture.